Welcome back to this edition of Hamster Kombat. In this video today, I will be talking to you about building a winning team in Hamster Kombat, the tips and the tricks for success. Building a winning team in Hamster Kombat, the tips and the tricks for success. Hamster Kombat isn't just about individual prowess. It's also about how well you assemble and manage a team of hamsters. Building a winning team is crucial for maximizing your success and earnings in this exciting game. Whether you are a newcomer or a seasoned player, having a strategic approach to team building can set you apart from the competition. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you create a formidable team in Hamster Kombat. Understand the game mechanics and team composition. Before diving into team building, it's essential to understand the core mechanics of Hamster Kombat. Each hamster has unique attributes, strengths, and weaknesses, which can significantly impact team dynamics. Familiarize yourself with the following attributes. Hamsters have stats such as speed, strength, and agility. Knowing how these attributes affect performance will help you make informed decisions about team composition. Synergies. Certain hamsters work better together due to complementary abilities. Look for hamsters that can create effective synergies in battles. Select diverse and complementary hamsters. A successful team in Hamster Kombat typically includes a mix of hamsters with different strengths. Diversify in your hamster team so ensures that you can handle various opponents and situations effectively. Tips for selecting hamsters. One of the tips for selecting hamsters is that you need to balance offensive and defensive roles. Include hamsters with strong offensive capabilities as well as those with robust defensive stats. This balance will help you adapt to different battle scenarios. Consider special abilities. Some hamsters have unique abilities that can turn the tide of a battle. Select hamsters with special abilities that complement each other and address potential weaknesses in your team. Analyze enemy teams. Pay attention to common team compositions and strategies used by your opponents. Adjust your team to counter these strategies effectively. Invest in training and upgrades. Once you've selected your hamsters, investing in their training and upgrades is crucial. Properly trained and upgraded hamsters will perform better in battles and contribute to your overall team success. Training and upgrade tips are as follows. Number one, focus on key attributes. Prioritize training the attributes that are most important for your team's strategy. For example, if you need a faster hamster to outmaneuver opponents, invest in speed training. Utilize resources wisely. Allocate resources such as in-game currency and items efficiently. Invest in upgrades that provide the most significant boost to your hamster's performance. Monitor progress. Regularly assess your hamster's performance and make adjustments to training and upgrades as needed. This ongoing evaluation will ensure that your team remains competitive. Develop and execute strategies. Building a winning team is only part of the equation. Developing and executing effective strategies during battles is equally important. And here are the strategic tips that you can use to do this. Number one is plan your moves. Before entering a battle, plan your moves based on your team's strengths and the opponent's weaknesses. Anticipate the enemy's strategy and counter it effectively. Adjust tactics on the fly. Be prepared to adapt your strategy during a battle. If your initial plan isn't working, adjust your tactics to respond to the evolving situation. Leverage synergies. Utilize the synergies between your hamsters to maximize their effectiveness. For example, combine offensive and defensive abilities to create a well-rounded strategy. Collaborate and learn from the community. The Hamster Kombat community can be an invaluable resource for improving your team building skills and overall gameplay. Community engagement tips are as follows. The first is join forums and groups. Participate in forums and social media groups dedicated to Hamster Kombat. Engage with other players to share strategies, tips, and insights. Watch tutorials and replays. Study tutorials and replays from top players to learn advanced strategies and team building techniques. Implement these learnings to enhance your own gameplay. Network with other players. Build connections with other players to exchange ideas and collaborate on strategies. Networking can provide fresh perspectives and help you stay updated on the latest trends. Evaluate and evolve your team. Building a winning team is an ongoing process. Regularly evaluate your team's performance and make necessary adjustments to stay competitive. The evaluation tips for these are as follows. Analyze the battle results. Review the outcomes of your battles to identify areas for improvement. Look for patterns in your wins and losses to understand what changes may be needed. Test new strategies. Experiment with new strategies. Experiment with different team compositions and strategies to find what works best for your style of play. Be open to making changes based on your findings. Stay updated on game changes. Keep up with updates and changes to the game that may affect team building and strategies. Adjust your approach to align with new developments. Building a winning team in Hamster Kombat involves a blend of strategic planning, diverse hamster selection, effective training, and continuous adaptation. By understanding the game mechanics, investing in the right hamsters, and leveraging community insights, you can create a formidable team capable of dominating battles. Remember, the key to success is not in having strong hamsters, but in how well you manage and utilize them. With dedication and the right approach, you can maximize your success and earnings in Hamster Kombat. So here you have it, building a winning team in Hamster Kombat, the tips and the tricks for success. If you follow these tricks and tips for success I've outlined in this video, you are going to have success. This is Dr. Oluwengaditun TV, and I bring you content on how to make money both online and offline. Now, when crypto started, many people doubted. When Bitcoin started, was selling for less than $1, many doubted it. Here now is Hamster Kombat, free of charge, but it will soon be launched, and what you are able to get now will become real money for you. Why are you not going to start and push up and get to the maximum before it is being launched? The launch has been postponed several times. Many are giving up already. It is those who don't give up that are going to enjoy it in the long run. So, there's nothing bad in giving it a try and also thinking ahead and thinking of how to maximize other things. On this channel, I boast that if you watch my video for 6 months and you do not get better in your finances or in different areas of your life, you should stop watching this channel, because that means I'm not sent to you. If I am sent to you, you are going to become better in all areas of your life. I will talk to you in the next video. Until then, bye for now. This video popping up by the side for my channel is the next you need to watch. Go ahead and watch it. Thank you.